Excretion in plants. Excretion in plants is much simpler than that of animals. Plants do not have any special organs for removal of waste. Gaseous excretory materials are eliminated by diffusion through the stomata. Many plants eliminate waste by its accumulation of waste in the vacuoles of the aging leaf cells. These leaves will eventually die and fall off, removing waste in the process. In some plants, waste products are stored as raisins and gum in the old xylem. Have you ever noticed a sticky, milky, or oily substance oozing out from the bark of trees? These are excretory products stored in the old xylem. Plants also excrete some waste substances into the soil around them. In some plants, waste is in the form of calcium oxalate crystals called as raphides. These are needle-shaped and therefore hurt and cause itching. For example, colocasia leaves and the outer skin of the onion. Some plant wastes are very useful to human beings, such as rubber latex, gum, raisins, and essential oils like eucalyptus or sandalwood oil. Rubber latex is used to produce gloves. The hard, transparent raisins are principally used for varnishes and adhesives, while the softer raisins and gum raisins containing essential oils are more largely used for therapeutic purposes and incense.
Alkaloids in plants. Plants produces biochemical substances. Biochemical substances are two types: primary metabolites, secondary metabolites. The materials required for growth and development are called primary metabolites. Primary metabolites are carbohydrates, fats, proteins. The materials which do not require for normal growth and development are called secondary metabolites. Secondary metabolites are alkaloids, tannins, resins, gums, latex. Though plants produce these chemicals for their own use, man found the uses of these chemicals for own benefits. They are generally colored and fragrant. Alkaloids. These are nitrogenous byproducts and poisonous. Alkaloids are stored in different parts of the plants, that is, bark, leaves, root, seeds, fruit, flower. Common alkaloids in plants. Papaver somniferum produces alkaloid morphine, cocaine, which is stored in fruit. It is used as painkiller. Coffee arabica produces alkaloid caffeine, which is stored in seeds. It is used as central nervous system stimulant. Tridax produces alkaloid pyrethroids, which is stored in flower. It is used as insecticide. Azadirachta indica produces alkaloid nimbin, which is stored in leaves, seeds, bark. It is used as antiseptic. Datura stramonium produces alkaloid scopolamine, which is stored in fruit, flower. It is used as sedative. Rauwolfia serpentina produces alkaloid reserpine, which is stored in root. It is used as medicine for snake bite. Nicotiana tabacum produces alkaloid nicotine, which is stored in leaves. It is used as insecticide. Cinchona officinalis produces alkaloid quinine, which is stored in bark. It is used as anti-malarial drug.